Current and Line both focus on helping users access money, but they handle deposits and financial access differently. Current is a digital banking app, while Line focuses on providing access to funds through its platform. By the end, you'll know how Current and Line compare on deposit speed features, and which app may fit your money needs better. The main difference is the type of service each app provides. Current works like a digital banking account with features designed for everyday money management. It focuses on helping users manage spending, receive money, and handle regular banking activities through its app. Line is built around providing access to money through its own financial services. The speed and availability of funds depend on your account details and the options available to you. When comparing which deposits earlier, the answer depends on what type of deposit you mean. For regular banking deposits, Current's timing depends on the type of transfer, payment method, and processing time involved. For Line, deposit timing depends on the specific service being used and your eligibility. Users should check the terms shown in the app for their account. Next, compare the overall features. Current may be a better fit for someone who wants a banking app for everyday use. It provides tools that support regular spending and money management. Line may be a better fit for someone who is mainly focused on accessing available funds through its app. The right option depends on whether you need a full banking experience or a more focused money access tool. Fees and requirements should also be reviewed. The cost and availability of features can vary based on your account and the services you use. Check the details during sign-up and before using any money access feature. The better choice depends on your goal. Choose Current if you want a digital banking account with tools for managing your everyday money. Choose Line if you are looking for access to funds and its available features match your needs. Before choosing, compare deposit options, eligibility requirements, and the features offered by both apps. Your account setup will determine which one works better for your situation. To summarize, Current focuses on digital banking and everyday money management, while Line focuses on access to funds through its platform. Check the deposit options and account details for both apps, then choose the one that matches how you manage your money. Subscribe for more simple comparisons of financial apps.